Southern fried chicken. This we getting right there. That's it right there, man. Look at that. What's going on, family? It's your man Matt DV. We are in Latson, South Carolina, a few minutes from Charleston, South Carolina. And I had to come back to this spot, man, being that I enjoyed the food that I got from here before. I did a short video, man, under a minute, here at Spinz Gas Station. What could they have delicious at the gas station? I'm gonna go in and show y'all, man, and then I'm gonna sit down over here. It look like a nice little picnic table. And I'm gonna sit down and have my, wait till you see what I get, man. Let's check it out. If it's fresh. We want them to cook our food fresh. Let's go check it out. All right, y'all, let's walk in here. Y'all don't know what I'm gonna get. Some of y'all already know what I'm gonna get. Thank you, young lady. Some of y'all already know what I'm gonna get. I know what I'm gonna get. What's going on, sis? Hey, y'all got fresh chicken gizzards and livers? They fresh ordered? Nice. I ordered right here? All right, y'all. Y'all heard it, right? This we getting right there. We getting some chicken, livers, and I want the gizzards mix. Okay, you got the cup, liver, gizzards. Oh, this I'm gonna get the mix. We're gonna get the liver and the gizzards mixed. Right there. I just got the chicken gizzards mixed. Came in $5.39 total. Let's go get it. Look, y'all, they also got ball peanuts. We may have to come back in. We may have to come back in and check out the, we may have to come back in and check out the boiled peanuts, man. But this is pretty much, man, look. This is pretty much like a convenience store that actually cooks food too, man. They got Southern fried chicken. I should have just got the regular fried chicken, huh? No, I'm getting the chicken gizzards and the livers, man. And this is a little convenience store. It's been pretty busy since we've been here, man. So let's sit down, man, and get a proper meal here at Spinz's. They back here making our food. I should have got a drink. I don't need no soda though. I'm gonna hold off on that. How you doing? I'm gonna hold off, man. They back there cooking. They back there cooking. Look, they got Italian sausage. You got the chicken and mac bowl right there. All right, y'all, I got the goods. I also got something else, but I don't want to show y'all yet. Let's go out here and eat it, man. Let's go eat. Let's go eat. We got our goods, man. Y'all know I'm happy now. I got my food. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Right here, back where I sat the last time, y'all. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Look, I also got some hot sauce, Texas Pete hot sauce too. Y'all know that's one of my favorite hot sauce, man. Hot sauce is there. We got chicken gizzards and chicken liver. Let's check it out. First, y'all, I gotta check, make sure I'm recording to the microphone. They're very hot, man. They make them fresh to order here. Me and my cousin Rhonda, we passed this gas station called Parker's. And we didn't pass it. I went in there and was like, they had chicken gizzards and chicken livers too. But they were just sitting there in the showcase and it seemed like they was really dry. Now I could have asked for some fried ones or some fresh fried ones, but I didn't even bother, man. We kept it moving down the highway. But here, right, they don't sit out. When you order them, they fry them fresh back behind the counter. So we're gonna check it out right here. And of course, this time, man, I got my hot sauce with me, y'all. I got some hot sauce. Let's do this like this. I want y'all to be able to see the full gamut of what's going on here. That's it right there, man. Look. Look at that. I see the gizzards right on top. And the gizzards a little, it's kind of like, not gummy, but more like gristly, you know, to the bite. But let's just get into it, man. I'm not even gonna put, you know what? I'm gonna put the hot sauce on. For those who've been following me for a while know I was here before, but I just did a short video like I said earlier. Oh man, I'm dropping hot sauce. Let's check it out. Oh, that's a gizzard. Let's just put some hot sauce all over these cats. Look at this, man. It is really hot. Look at this. It looks good, right? That right there, that should be a delicacy. Matter of fact, from now on, chicken liver is a delicacy. And I know y'all young folks don't know nothing about no chicken liver. Hold up. Look at that. It's nice, tender, and livery. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? Livery. I was gonna do this video real fast. I'm putting more hot sauce on it because I didn't add hot sauce the last time. And also our subscribers was like, why didn't you put hot sauce on it? Okay. Those are delicious all the way through. I don't know if they marinate them overnight or that chicken just tastes so good. But right now, that right there is a gizzard. So we're gonna go for the chicken gizzards next. I know y'all young folks like gizzards. Ew, chicken gizzards. See, that right there kind of gummy. That chicken gizzards gummy. If I had a choice between the livers and the gizzards, I would just go straight up with the livers. But it's good. Real still very, very hot. I want more liver and more hot sauce. I'm going into another liver, y'all. These some big livers too. Would you agree that these are some pretty big chicken livers? This is really good, man. How many of you just don't like liver at all? Any type of liver. I like beef liver when it's not too veiny. If you can cook beef liver, and I have family members that can, very tender, I love it. Just that chicken liver. So once again, I was able to mix these. I got chicken livers and chicken gizzards. I'm glad I did because I'm really digging the livers today. And the gizzards. The gizzards like a secondary. If I could do it again, I'd be like, just put 2 gizzards in there, put the rest liver. So good, man. So good. Uh-oh. This your man, Matt DV, signing off from Latson, South Carolina. I'm a few minutes 20 minutes tops from Charleston, South Carolina. I'm gonna be heading into Charleston maybe about an hour. From now on, I'm like officially country. I'm here eating chicken gizzards and chicken livers here at Spinz Gas Station. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you hanging with the wrong people, but you hanging with the right cat now. I love you guys, man. Thanks for signing in and staying tuned to our video. Don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the bell so you'll be notified when we go live and when we post a new video. Peace.